The case against an Irmo charter school principal accused of not reporting child abuse will move forward, a judge ruled this evening. Tina Shaw, the principal at Green Charter School of the Midlands in Irmo, is charged with failure to report child abuse and 2 counts of assault and battery in the 2nd degree. Suleiman Benoit, a former teacher there, faces 8 counts of criminal sexual conduct. Our Nick Neville has a recap of Shaw's preliminary hearing.
The judge, in a quick decision, decided that Irmo police had probable cause to arrest Shaw. Shaw's attorney saw the hearing differently. He says it showed that his client was responsive, and when she received new information about a possible second victim, she began to vet it out.
I understand, you want to get as much information as you can, and I understand that, but this is not a trial, and you know that.
A judge Wednesday ruling there's probable cause to allow the case against Tina Shaw, an Irmo principal, to move forward. Shaw, who works at Green Charter School, charged with failure to report child abuse. As her attorney sought to establish that she did in fact do her duty, the judge suggesting his questioning went beyond the scope of Wednesday's hearing.
If the parent didn't have a reason to believe, if they haven't gotten video
the law
of it.
says nothing about her telling a parent.
Shaw's a mandatory reporter. If she suspects abuse, she's required to alert the proper authorities. Irmo police says the day she learned of the alleged abuse on January 30th of this year, she notified the school's human resource director and director of operations, but not law enforcement.
The statement also reads that she waited for law enforcement to contact her, and they did not. That is not how mandated reporting works in the state of South Carolina. It is not on the law enforcement agency to reach out to the school about allegations that are made at the school. That is not how the statute reads. That is not the way mandated reporting works.
Shaw's attorney says she ensured an initial report of abuse was reported and immediately suspended Suleiman Benoit, the alleged abuser.
As a result of your investigation, you were made aware that promptly after the disclosure to Dr. Shaw, the school and Dr. Shaw took appropriate action to make sure the perpetrator didn't return to the school, correct?
Based on statements, it does appear that he was placed on leave that day.
And when more reports of abuse came to light, he says she oversaw an internal investigation and told an SRO a few days later. But Irmo police says that's not enough.
That whole Friday, they could have been conducting an investigation. However, the statute also reads an internal investigation does not preclude the school from reporting it to law enforcement. And that's the situation that occurred here.
Green Charter says that Shaw will remain on administrative leave as this matter works its way through the courts. Benoit, meanwhile, has been fired. In the studio, Nick Neville, WIS News 10.
Green Charter continues to stand by Shaw. In a statement following her arrest back in February, the school said, quote, Dr. Shaw has proven herself to be an outstanding leader who cares deeply about our students at Green, end quote. We've asked the school for a response to today's hearing, but have not heard back.